Two kinds of accounts are available to you, demo and real. We recommend starting out with a demo account to practice risk-free. You can switch at any time. To choose an asset, click the top left area. There are more than 60 assets available on Binomo. You can use some of them right away. Others become available when your trader status rises. Assets have different percentage rates of yield. Be aware that the yield percentage for the same asset can change depending on the time period for which you will be opening the trade. For example, let's pick gold with a yield rate of 80%. Set the investment amount by clicking on the Amount button in the right-hand panel. For example, we'll set $10. The expiration time is the exact time at which the trade ends. On the chart, it is shown as a solid red line. When the chart reaches this line, you will see the result of your forecast. Set the expiration time by clicking on the Time button in the right-hand panel. The drop-down list offers short, 1 to 5 minutes, and long, 15 minutes to 1 hour, expiration times. You select the actual ending time of the trade rather than a time interval. This is done for convenient syncing with the markets. The clock is currently showing 18:00 precisely. For the next 30 seconds, you can set the expiration time as 18:01. If those 30 seconds have already passed, the next available expiration time becomes 18:02. On the chart, the time available to open a trade is shown as the area before the gray delimiting block. As soon as the expiration time closes to the nearest minute, this area moves along with the red expiration line. So, just as an example, let's set the earliest expiration time available, 18:02. Choose the direction in which the price will move. If you think the price will go up, click the green button. If you think it will go down, click the red button. An up forecast is successful if the price of the asset at the moment the trade closes is higher than when it was opened, and vice versa. A down forecast will benefit you if the price of the asset falls below the level it was at when the trade was created. If the price stays on the same level, you will get your investment amount back. If your forecast is incorrect, you will lose the trade amount. Let's say the price will go up. Click the green button. Once the chart reaches the expiration line, you will see the results. In this case, you can see that the forecast was correct. The yellow window shows the result of the trade, $18, which will be paid to your account. $18 is the total of your investment, $10, and net revenue, $8. Net revenue equals investment amount times asset yield rate, which is $10 times 80%. Now you know how to choose an asset, decide the amount of your investment, set the expiration time, make a trading forecast, test your skills on the platform. Good trading!